Want access to advanced settings on your Samsung Galaxy A57 5G? In this quick guide, I'll show you how to unlock and enable the hidden developer options menu in just a few steps. To get started, open the Settings app menu. Once you're in Settings, scroll all the way down and tap About Phone. On the next screen, select Software Information to view details about your device's software. Now look for the Build Number option. Once you find it, tap it 7 times in quick succession. After a few taps, your phone may display a message indicating how many steps remain before developer options is unlocked. If your device is protected with a screen lock, you'll be asked to enter your PIN, password, or pattern to verify your identity. After successful verification, you'll see a message at the bottom of the screen saying Developer Mode has been enabled. This confirms that the hidden developer options menu is now active on your phone. Next, return to the main settings screen. Scroll down to the bottom and you should now see developer options listed below. About Phone. Tap it to access the available developer settings and tools. Be careful when changing settings inside developer options, as some features can affect your phone's performance or behavior. If you're unsure about a particular option, it's best to leave it at its default setting. That's all for this guide. Thanks for watching and enjoy exploring the advanced features on your Galaxy A57 5G.